Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 201 of Trading Talk. In this episode, our senior trader Matt shares a technique he uses to identify volatility in the markets. The idea for today's episode came from one of our clients who asked us how we look at volatility in our trading systems. If you're not already a client and you'd like to watch episode 201 in full, just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button at the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video there on YouTube. Now, to get updated first when a new episode's been released, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon to receive notifications. And if you don't already have a ticket to this year's Algo Trading Conference, then you should get one today. Really, who wouldn't want to see how Perry Kaufman, Trevor Neil and Stefano Serafini build their automated models, plus take home a model from each one of them on the day. If you're watching this video, then I'm pretty confident you are a trader, and if so, this is the ultimate trading event you don't want to miss out on. I really hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.